वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमव्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Now you can repeat after me. Tadetat satyam.
Tadetat satyam.
Mantreshu karmani kavayo yanyapashyan.
Mantreshu karmani kavayo yanyapashyan.
Tani tretayam bhagudha santata.
Tani tretayam bhagudha santani.
Tanyacharata niyatam satyakamaha.
Tanyacharata niyatam satyakamaha.
Eshavah pantas krutasya loke.
Eshavah pantas krutasya loke.
Yada lelayate herchihi.
Yada lelayate
Samidhe havyavahane.
Samidhe havyavahane.
Rajyabhagavantarena.
Rajyabhagavantarena
Ahutif pratipadayet.
Ahuti pratipadayet.
Yasyagnihotramadharshamapornamasam.
Yasyagnihotramadharshamapornamasam.
Chaturmasya managrayanamativartitam cha.
अचात्मास्य मनाग्रयन्ति वर्जितं च
तमवैश्वदेवविधिनाहुतम्
औतमवैश्वदेवहिनाहुतम्
आसक्तमांस्तस्य लोकान् हिनस्ति
आसक्तमान् तस्य लोकान् हिनस्ति
काली कराली च मनोजवाच
काली कराली च मनोजवाच
सुलोहिताया च सुधूम्रवर्णा
सुलोहिताया च सुधूम्रवर्णा
पुलिङ्गिनी विश्वरुचि च देवी
सुलिङ्गिनी विश्वरुचि च देवी
लेलायमाना इति सप्तजिह्वाः
लीलायमाना इति सप्तजिह्वाः
तेषु यश्चरते भ्राजमानेषु
एतेषु यस्ते विराजमानेषु
यथा कालं चाहुतयो ह्यादधायन्
यथा कालं चाहुर्याददायन्
तं नयन्त्येताः सूर्यस्य रश्मयः
नयन्त्येतास्य रश्मयः
यत्र देवानां पतिरेकोऽधिवासः
यत्र देवानां पतिरेकोऽधिवासः
From this mantra we have to see. In this mantra, the performance of the Agnihotra is elaborated. When it is done properly, what happens to that the Yajamana that is being mentioned? Yaha charate. Yaha charate. Charate acharati. Yaha acharati. Kaha, that is Agnihotri. The one who performs the Agnihotra karma. Charate, Chardatu, Charate, Charate is Atmepadi, but Chardatu is Parasmepadi. So therefore it is Chandasam. Upanishad can decline a Parasmepadi into a Atmepadi form. That's a privilege Upanishad has got. Vedas have that privilege. That is Chandasam. Chandasa Prayoga. Yaha, that is Agnihotri, is the Yajamana, Acharati. Acharati, this karma Acharati. This karma which is characterized by offering the Ahuti into the Agni. The Agni which is in the form of the Saptajikhva, the flames. So the Ahuti which is offered into this flames which are shining, when they are offered Yatha Kalam, at the right time, Kalam Anatikramyam, should be offered at the right time without transgressing the time. Eteshu Brajamaneshu. Eteshu refer to the flames, the different types of flames. 7 Jikhvaha, 7 tongues, which were mentioned in the previous mantra. So, referring to that, Eteshu, the pronoun refer to that. Brajamaneshu, Deepyamaneshu, Brajamaneshu, Raja Deepyamaneshu. That Sapta Jukha Vedeshu Brajamaneshu Deepyamaneshu Yeteshu Yaha Agnihotri Yagnihotri Yatakalam Kalam Anatikramya. Without transgressing the time, the appropriate time, Yatakalam. That is Nirdishta Samaya Anusari. Nirdishta Samaya Anusari Karma Charate. Karma Karoti. Acharati. Yaha Acharati. Yaha Acharati. This Agnihotra Karma Acharati. And how does he perform the karma? Ahutayaha Adadayan. Ahutayaha Ahutihi. Ahutayaha is Bhagavachana. Ahutihi Ahuti Ahutayaha. So Ahutayaha Ahutayaha Adadayan. Adadayan is Shatranta, but Dadatu is Adadayan. When you say, it should be Bhashyakara will say. Bhashyakara and the Bhashyam will say this should be Yashana, but it is also Arsha Prayoga. Chandasa Prayoga. Adadayan. You will see in Bhashyakara says, that time you will see the Bhashyam. Adadayan. Adadayan is, that is, Ahutayaha Adadayan. The oblations which were offered. When the oblations were offered by these Agnihotri, Yaha Ahutayaha Adadayan Karma Acharati. The one offering the oblations perform the karma, tam nayanti. That person, tam, referring to the Agnihotri, tam nayanti. So Adadayan is equal to Adadanaha. You can take Adadayan, Adadanaha, Ahutayaha, Adadanaha. The ahutis which were offered. Therefore, Adadayan must be Adadanaha. Bhashyakara will say. So, these ahutis which were offered into this Agni Jikvasu, that is the flames of the Agni, Adadanaha, then Tam, referring to the Agnihotri, Nayanti. Suryasya Rashmidihi. Suryasya Rashmayaha, Suryasya Rashmidihi. Nayanti Prapayanti. Suryasya Rashmayaha. Suryasya Rashmayam is Suryasya Rashmibihi. Becoming that Ahuti, becoming one with the flames of the sun, take the person Nayanti. Kutra Nayanti. Kutra Nayanti. Yatra Yasmin Swarge, Swargaloke, Devanam Patihi, Indraha Vasati, Vartate, Tatra. Nayanti. And Indra is, Idrishaha Indraha is Devanam Patihi, Ekaha, Devanam Patihi, Ekaha, Adivasaha. Is Indraha, Idrishaha Indraha, Adivasaha. That is, he is the head of the Devaloka. Swargavasinam upari vartamanaha Indraha is Swargavasi, is a lord of the Indra, the Deva, these Swargaloka. There is no one equal to it. Tatra tam Agni Otrinam Nayanti. Suryasya Rashmibihi, this ahutis take that person with the rays of the sun, along with the rays of the sun to the Swargaloka. So, therefore, the meaning is the person who does Agnihotra, not only Agnihotra, all the other karma, that is the Paurnamasa karma, this Dashakya karma, all those karmas he has to perform. So the person performing Agnihotra along with other karmas will gain Swarga. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of this mantra. That is presented in a figurative way here. If the person performs his Agnihotra karma along with other satellite karma, then the person will go to Swargaloka. How? Not directly he will go to Swargaloka. Not the karma will take him directly to Swargaloka. The karma will produce punyam. The karma will produce punyam. This punyam is called apurvam. In the language of Purva Mimamsa, it is called apurvam. The karma will produce the karma pala, and it is called Utpatti Apurva. It's called Utpatti Apurva. That karma, that Apurva will join with the Phala Apurva, the result of the main karma. That Phala, the resultant, that Apurva, that will take the person to Swargaloka. So, this punyam, that is, apurva means the punyam which was not there before the karma. It was created after the karma. So therefore it is utpatti apurva, that is the punyam which were produced, that punyam, that apurva, and all the apurvas, all the punyam put together. That is all the punyam of all the karma put together will produce a result in the form of gaining the Swargaloka. The Swargaloka he gains when? Not while living, after the death. After he gives up this body, that punyam will take the person to Swargaloka. That punyam will take the Swargaloka. If punyam takes the Swargaloka, punyam alone takes the Swargaloka, then why do we need, if punya that is produced by karma, that karma takes the person to Swargaloka, then why do we need Ishvara? Ishvara is not required. No. Karma, any karma will give karma phalam only when it is presided over by Bhagavan, Ishvara. Ishvara alone gives that karma phala, is karma phala data. So karma by nature it is jadam. Karma is jadam. Karma tad jadam. In Saddarshanam, Ramana Maharshi says, Karturagnyaya prapyate palam karma kim param karma tad jadam. Karma is jadam. The jada karma cannot give you punya. Karma, how can the jada can give you the karma, and that too, it has to be given to you, the performer, not to anyone else. When it is to be given, how it is to be given, there should be an intelligent, a conscious being acting behind that karma, the jada, that is Ishvara. So, karma is in the form of the order. Karma, which is the order, in the form of the order. The order is presided over by. The order is Ishvara. So, karma also in keeping with the order is Ishvara. Therefore, this karma, as the order, that is the karma, a particular karma will give you the particular result at the appropriate time to the yajamana. It has to be presided over by the conscious person, conscious being, that is Bhagavan. That is why in the Brahma Sutra also it is said in the Phala Adhikaranam. In the Phala Adhikaranam, there is a sutra, the third chapter of the Brahma Sutra. Palamata Upapattehe iti. That is, Ishvara presides over the karma and gives the result, karma phala in keeping with the karma. Not only this Vaidika karma in the form of performing rituals, any karma, even prayers, any form of prayers, Vachika, Manasa, Kayika, the karma. Those karmas will give the result. Not that karma alone will give the result. The karma presided over by the Lord. The karma paladata, Bhagavan gives the result. So, therefore, that Bhagavan, he is responsible, he is the karma paladata, he converts, because of him, the karma is converted into apurva. Apurva, that is punyam, and that takes a person to Swargaloka. That takes a person to the Swargaloka. The Swargaloka, Devatas are there. Devatas are the personification of punyam. They have done a lot of punyam and therefore they have attained the shariram of Devatas. And when this person go to the Swargaloka, then the Devatas welcome this person. Please come, please come. That is going to come, the next mantra. So the Devatas welcome that person. And he can remain in Swargaloka, enjoy this palam, and the palam which is gained through a limited karma. Therefore, the palam also is limited in terms of time, limited in terms of place. Swargaloka alone, he cannot go to Brahmaloka, which is further higher loka. So the limit is Swargaloka. Being in Swargaloka, he enjoys the karma palam. That is the result of doing this karma. That is what the mantra says. Yaha eteshu brajamaneshu yatakalam ahutayaha adadayan ahutayaha. Yaha eteshu brajamaneshu yatakalam karma charate. Karma is performed by giving ahuti. This adadayan ahutayaha tam nayanti. That is, etaha ahutayaha tam nayanti. Kutra suryasya rashmayaha. Through the path of the sun. Surya kirana. So through the path of the sun, that is, the ahutis will join with the rays of the sun and take this yajamana. Yatra devanam patihi vasati. Tatra. Where the Lord of the Devas, Indra, is there, it takes a person. This ahutis which were offered in the flames takes a person to that loka. So Suryasya, here Suryasya Rashmabihi, that is, this path is called the path of the sun is called Archiradi Marga. The path, that is the solar path. It's called the solar path. There are two types of path, which is mentioned in the Gita also, in the 8th chapter. The 8th chapter, what happened to the jiva when the jiva dies? When the jiva dies in Dakshinayanam, the jiva dies in Uttarayanam, and when the jiva, when it dies without gaining jnanam, what happens to the jiva? And for the jnani, where the jnani will go, which path he will take, which path an ordinary jiva will take, those are mentioned. There are two types of gati, Shukla Gati and Krishna Gati. So solar path and lunar path. So this person goes to the Sukraloka through the solar path. That's called Archiradi Marga. The other path, that is the dark path, otherwise lunar path, is called Dhumadi Marga, which that path, that Marga will take the person to the Pitraloka. Archiradi Marga will take the person. Through the Archiradi Marga, the person will gain Swargaloka. Through Dhumadi Marga, the person will gain Pitraloka. Therefore, Pitraloka is one level down. Pitraloka. Whether it is Swargaloka or Pitraloka, both are lokas. Both are the fields of experience. That is not moksha. Therefore, the person has to return back. That is the limitation. That limitation is shown in this mantra. And since the person is a Vaidika, Agnihotri, performs the karma appropriately with all the appropriate ingredients, appropriate time. Therefore, through the Archiradi Marga, Suryasya Rashmibihi, Rashmayaha, that Aguti will join with the Suryasya Rashmi and take the person through the Archiradi Marga to Swargaloka. There he will be welcomed. That is what is mentioned in this mantra. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Eteshu Agnijikhva Bhedeshu
Eteshu
Abhedeshu
Yaha Agnihotri Sarate Karma Acharati Agnihotradi Rajamaneshu Deepyamaneshu Yasya Karmanaha Yaha Kalaha Tatkalam Yatakalam Yajamanam Adadayan Adadanaha Ahutayaha Yajamanena Nirvartitaha Tam Nayanti Prapayanti Etaha Ahutayaha Yaha Imaha Anena Nirvartitaha Suryasya Rashmayaha Bhutva Rashmidvaraihi Ityarthaha Yatra Yasmin Swarge Devanam Patihi Indraha Sarvan Upari Adivasati Iti Adhivasaha Is my audio clear?
Yes.
Eteshu Agnijikhva Bhedeshu. Eteshu Agnijikhva Bhedeshu, that is referring to these Saptajikhva, these 7 different types of the tongues of fire, the flames of the fire. Agni jikhva bhedeshu. Bheda means different. Different jikhva. Different terms of what? Agni. Agnehe jikhva, Agni jikhva. Agni jikhva bhedeshu. Yes, that is yasmin, into which eteshu, yeshu, eteshu, into which yaha Agnihotri. Agnihotraha karma yasya, Agnihotri, that is the performer Agnihotra. Charate. Charate karma acharati. Agnihotradi karma acharati. He performs the Agnihotradi karma. Hotradi. Adi Padat, we have to bring in the supporting the satellite, the karma, other karma. Karma acharati. Into what type of flames these oblations are offered? Rajamaneshu, Deepyamaneshu. Raja is bright, shining. So that is Deepyamaneshu. Bhashyakara says Deepyamaneshu, Rajamaneshu is equal to Deepyamaneshu. That is Eteshu, Rajamaneshu, Deepyamaneshu, Yathakalam. Yathakalam is Avibhava Samasa. Kalam Anatikramya. Not transgressing the time. In keeping with the time. That's the meaning. Kalam Anatikramya is the for this samasa, Avibhava Samasa. That is appropriate time. That is the meaning. The appropriate time. Yasya karmanaha. Appropriate time for every karma. Every karma has to be performed. Because there is a desire to gain a particular result. When there is a desire to gain a particular result, the karma has to be performed as it is stipulated by the karma kanda of the Veda. It has to be performed. The Brahmana portion of the Veda describes how the karma to be performed and what are the mantras to be chanted. So, Yatha Kalam. Yaha Kalaha Tat Kalam. Yaha Kalaha, that which is a time, that Kalam, that time. Therefore, Yatha Kalam. Yaha Kalaha Tat Kalam. That is at that stipulated time only, not any time we like. Yatha Kalam. Tat Kalam. Yaha Kalaha Tat Kalam, Yatha Kalam. Yajamanam Agutayaha. Yajamanam Adadayan. Yajamanam Adadayan. Bhashyakara says Adadayan is equal to Adadanaha. Adadayan is Chandasam. This Adadanaha carrying, what carries is Ahuti is carrying. Adadayan is Shatranta. You have Nakara as Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pachan Pachantav Pachantaha. That refers to the Karta. But here, Ahutis are not the Karta. Yajamana is a Karta. Ahutis take the person. And Adadayan Agutayaha is not proper. Therefore, Adadanaha, it must be. This Ahutis which carry. Yajamanena Nirvartitaha Ahutayaha Adadanaha. By the Yajamana Nirvartitaha, which have been performed, which have been offered, Yajamanena Nirvartitaha, what? Ahutis. Yajamanena Nirvartitaha Agutayaha. Agutayaha, the Ahutis which were Nirvartitaha, offered by the Yajamana. And that Ahuti, qualified by Adadanaha. Adadanaha Agutayaha, the perform, that is the Ahutayaha, these Ahutis, they carry the Yajamanam. Yajamanam Ahutayaha Adadanaha Ahutayaha, these Ahutis which were offered, Yajamanam Tam Nayanti. This Yajamanam is karma. Is karma for this Ahuti. The Ahuti carries the Yajamana. Yajamanam tam nayanti prapayanti. Make him reach. Prapayanti. Make the Yajamana gain. Prapayanti. Make him gain. Make him attain. What? Swargaloka. Etaha. These agutayaha. Etaha agutayaha. Yaha imaha. Anena nirvartitaha. Etaha agutayaha, these agutis, these oblations, anena nirvartitaha, offered by the performer of the karma, that is Yajamana. Yaha imaha. What happens to that aguti? Suryasya rashmayaha bhutva, having become the rays of the sun. Imaha, yaha, imaha, etaha agutayaha, yaha, imaha, anena, yajamanena, nirvartitaha, etaha agutayaha, suryasya rashmayaha bhutva, having become the rays of the sun, rashmidvarehi, aschiradi margena, through the rashmidvarehi means dvara is the door, is the path, is the road. So through the course of the sun rays, this aguti Yajamanam nayanti. Take the Yajamana. Tam nayanti Yajamanam prapayanti. Kutra? Yatra. Where? Yatra is equal to yasmin. Yatra is there in the mantra. Yatra is equal to yasmin swarge. That is Swargaloke, where Devanam Patihi Indraha, Devendra, where the Lord of the Devas, that is Indra, the Lord Devendra, Ekaha, he is the only person, he is the only Lord. Ekaha, Sarvan Upari, who presides over all the Devas. Sarvan Upari Adivasati. Yasmin loke adivasati. Adivasati, adi upasarga vasdhatu will govern Saptami Bhakti. Therefore, yasmin swarge yatra adivasati. Yatra sarvan upari adivasati iti adivasaha. The presiding, the Lord, the presiding presides over. Adi is presiding above. Adi means above. Therefore, he presides over the Swargaloka. He is the Lord of the Swargaloka. Adivasati. Iti adi vasa. Kartari vyutpatti. Adivasati iti adivasati iti adivasa. Adivasaha. So, referring to the Indra. Indra is the Adivasaha. He presides over the Swargaloka. Adivasati. He is the ruler, the highest ruler. He is the head of the Swargaloka. So therefore, the agutis adadanaha agutayaha, this agutis which are offered, it is converted into apurva, that is punyam. And the punyam, which are in the form of the devas, are there in the Swargaloka. And the Lord of all the devatas are the Indra. So Indra, where does he live? In Swargaloka. That loka, these agutis will take that person. It takes the person. Then, how this Yajamana is taken to the Swargaloka, that is described in the next mantra. They will read. Atam Suryasya Rashmibihi.
Atham Suryasya Rashmibihi.
Yajamanam Bhaganti iti uchyate.
Yajamanam Vahanti iti uchyate.
How this Suryasya Rashmibihi through Atam Yajamana Bhaganti. The subject is not here, we have to supply. Agutayah. Katam agutayah vahanti. How the agutis carry. Whom they carry? Yajamana. How? Suryasya rashmibhihi. Through the rays of the sun. How this aguti carry the Yajamana through the rays of the sun? Putra Sargaloka. Iti uchate. That is being said in this, the mantra. Suryasya rashmibhihi katam yajamanam agutayah vaganti. Then we will read the mantra. Yegi yegi iti tamagutayah suvarchasah.
येहि इति तम् आहु अतयः वर्चसः
Yehi yehi yehi. It is there. I'm splitting them. Yehi plus yehi and something. For our chanting purpose, I'm splitting. Yehi 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 iti tam ahutayah suvarchasah.
येहि इति तम् आहूतयः
आहुतयः
सुवर्चसः
सुवर्चसः
सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिर्यजमानं वहन्ति
सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिर्यजमानं वहन्ति
प्रियां वाचम् अभिवदन्त्योर्चयन्त्यः
प्रियां वाचाम् अभिवदन्त्योर्जयन्त्यः
केशवः पुण्यः सुकृतो ब्रह्मलोकः
येशवः पुण्यः
सुकृतो
सुकृतो
ब्रह्मलोकः
ब्रह्मलोकः.
So, the Nagana Prakaram is being mentioned in this mantra. Yehi, yehi, iti. That is Suryasya Rashmibhihi Katam Yajamanam Nayanti, Vakanti, Prapayanti. Then the mantra says, Yehi, 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 yehi is Agacha, Agacha, come, please come, iti, tam, referring to the Yajamana. Yajamanam, tam Yajamanam. Tam Yajamanam Ahvayantyah, that is Agutayah Yajamanam, who is the Karmi, Karminam, Yajamanam, Karminam, Swargam, Vaganti, Prapayanti. Yehi is Indatu, Lot Lakara, Yehi, with Indatu with A Upasarga. In means to gatau, in gatau. With A Upasarga, it means to come. Upasarga changes the meaning of the dhatu in to come. So yehi means please come, Lot Lakara. So welcoming the person. So welcoming whom? The Yajamanam. Welcoming the Yajamana, this Agutayaha, this Agutis, which are Suvarchasaha. Suvarchas. These Agutis which were Suvarchas, which is brilliant. Suvarchasaha, Deepti Matyaha, Agutayaha. Agutis which are shining, brilliant. Surya, this Suvarchasaha, Deepti Matyaha, Agutayaha. Yehi agachat iti. This aguti, the brilliant aguti, this agutis take the person to the loka where is welcomed. Yehi iti. And how does it take? Suryasya rashmibhihi. These agutis join with the rays of the sun. Suryasya rashmibhihi, through the rays of the sun. Yajamanam Vahanti. So, this agutis carry the Yajamana through the rays of the sun to the Swargaloka. Priyam Vacham Abhivadantyaha. Vacha is the words The words are sweet, pleasant, priyam vacham. So this aguti is, it's all figurative expression. This aguti is saying, yegi, yegi, please come, saying these words. This agutis take the yajamana through the archiradi marga to the Surgaloka. And priyam vacham, abhivadantyaha agutayaha, speaking, uttering the pleasant words. Priyam vacham, abhivadanti, abhivadantyaha archayantyaha, abhivadantyaha agutayaha, abhivadanti is also abhivadanti, qualifying aguti. So aguti is Strilinga. So qualifying aguti. Abhivadantyaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. One more Chatranta is there. Archayantyaha, Archayanti, the Pradipadikam, that is also qualifying aguti. Aguti, Ikaranta Shabda aguti. So this agutayaha, abhivadantyaha agutayaha, priyam vacham abhivadantyaha agutayaha, these agutis uttering, speaking pleasant words, archayantyaha agutayaha, worshipping, praising this yajamana, yajamanam archayantyaha agutayaha, these agutis take the person to Swargaloka. Yeshaha vaha sukurtaha brahmalokaha iti vadantyaha, iti abhivadantyaha, iti archayantyaha. An example of how these agutis speak pleasantly, praising this yajamana is given. Yeshaha vaha punyaha. This is your punya. This is your sukurtaha. This is the result of your karma. Sukurtaha. Sukurtaha means sushtu krutaha, accomplished. This is your punya karma. This is a resultant of your punya karma. What? Brahmalokaha. This Brahmaloka, you have earned it by your karma. Sukurtaha. It is kritaha. It is done and therefore accomplished. The karma is done and therefore punya is accomplished, and that because of that you have gained this Brahmalokaha. Brahmaloka, Swargaloka. The mantra says Brahmaloka, but we have to understand that Brahmaloka, it is not Brahmaloka, it is Swargaloka. Brahmaloka is above Swargaloka. But here we have to take Brahmaloka to be Swargaloka only. The word Brahmaloka means Swargaloka. Why? Because the person is doing the karma. Karma will take the person up to Swargaloka. Mere karma will take the person up to Swargaloka only. If the karma is accompanied with upasana, upasana sagita karma. The word upasana in Shastram is also indicated by the word vidya or jnana. Jnanam, the word jnanam also sometimes in the Shastram referred to upasana. In the context of karma, upasana sagita karma will take the person to Brahmaloka. If it is without upasana, only karma, then it will take the person to Swargaloka only. Here, since karma is talked about, there is no upasana here. Upasana is not mentioned. Therefore, the karma, mere karma, will take the person only to Swargaloka. Therefore, Brahmaloka, even though it is mentioned in the mantra Brahmaloka, it is only a figurative speech, but we have to take the Brahmaloka to be Swarloka, Swargaloka. That is the highest loka possible by karma. Gainable, attainable by karma. So this is your well-gained Brahmaloka. Iti abhivadantyaha agutayaha archayantyaha agutayaha tam yajamanam naganti. That is the the meaning of this mantra. Then Bhashya. Ehi iti.
Yehi iti
Ahvayantyah.
ahvayantyah
Suvarchasah deeptimatyah.
suvarchasah deeptimatyah.
So, ehi iti ahvayantyah suvarchasah, we can supply agutayah. Agutayah ahvayantyah. Ahvayantyah agutayah, and agutis are suvarchasah. So, ehi iti. Please come, iti, welcoming, suvarchasaha, varchas, the effulgent, the bright, the shining, what? Agutis. So, ahvayantyaha, suvarchasaha, these are qualifying this aguti. Is qualifying aguti, agutayaha. And these agutis are suvarchasaha. Suvarchasaha is equal to deeptimatyaha, deeptimati, deeptimatyau, deeptimatyaha. This suvarchas, this bright, shining, these agutis are deeptimatyaha. Suvarchasaha is equal to deeptimatyaha. Ahvayantyaha. Ahvayantyaha is welcoming. How? Ehi iti. Okay, then the word suvarchas, Pratipadikam is suvarchas. Varchaha means deeptihi. Su means shobhanam, bright, beautiful. So sushtu varchaha suvarchasaha. Sushtu varchaha. Sushtu varchaha deeptihi yasyaha sa suvarchaha iti. The one which has got brilliance, brilliant shine, that is called suvarchasaha. Bhashyakara gives the equivalent word deeptimatyaha iti. Shining, brilliant, effulgent, agutis. Kincha priyam ishtam vacham
Priyam ishtam vacham
stutyadi lakshanam abhivadantyah uchcharayantyah.
Stutyadi lakshanam abhivadantyah uchcharayantyah
Archayantyah pujayantyascha.
archayantyah pujayantyascha
Eshah vaha yushmakam punyah.
yeshah vaha yushmakam punyah
Sukrutah brahmalokah phalarupah.
sukrutah brahmaloka phalarupah
Evam priyam vacham
evam priyam vacham
abhivadantyah vadanti iti artah.
abhivadantyah vahanti iti artah.
Brahmalokah swargah prakaranat.
Brahmalokah swargah prakaranat.
Kincha, further, moreover, priyam ishtam, pleasant, ishtam, desirable. The pleasant are what desired, therefore ishtam. What? Vacham means the words. The words which are pleasant. What words are pleasant? When somebody praises you, you feel good. Therefore, the pleasant words which are desired. Stutyadi lakshana, characterized by stuti, which are in the form of stuti, the praising words, the comforting words. Because a person goes to Swargaloka where he doesn't know anybody, and where is praised, is comforted by these words, very comforting words. Therefore, stutyadi lakshanam vacham priyam vacham अभिवदन्त्यः uttering, अभिवदन्त्यः उच्चारयन्त्यः उच्चारयन्ति uttering, अभिवदन्त्यः speaking, उच्चारयन्त्यः uttering. Who utters these ahutis? These ahutis only carry the person saying, speaking nice, comfort words. Riyam, Ishtam, Vacham, Sutyadi Lakshanam, Riyam, Vacham, Abhivadantyah, and Archayantyah. Archayantyah is Pujayantyah, worshipping, adoring, praising the person, adoring the person. How does it adore? Yeshaha, Vaha, Vishmakam. Vaha is equal to Vishmakam, Vishmat Shabda. Shashti Vibhakti, Vishmakam, Bhagavachanam. This is your, it is in Bhagavachanam. This is your Punyaha. Yeshaha, Vaha, Punyaha, Sukrutaha. This is your Sukrutaha, Sushtukritaha. This is well gained, accomplished. Punyaha, it is Punya is sacred. Punya is sacred and favorably gained, because it is going to give you the pleasant experience. Therefore, Sukrutaha, Punyaha, Brahmalokaha, that karma pala in the form of gaining this loka, that loka is Brahmaloka, Palarupaha, the palam which is in the form of this loka, Brahmaloka. The Brahmaloka, that is the palam, this in the form of the result of your action, this Brahmaloka. Evam Priyam Vacham Abhivadantyah Agutayaha. Priyam Vacham Abhivadantyah Agutayaha Vaganti, carry the person. Ityartaha, that is the meaning. So this is the marga, the path, taking the person to the Brahmaloka, that is the Swargaloka. Bhashikara here mentioned Brahmalokaha, Swargaha, Prakaranat. Here the context is karma. Therefore, because of this context being karma, contextually the Brahmaloka, the word Brahmaloka to be taken as Swargaloka. Because Kevala Karmana, Swargaloka, Praptihi. Upasanaya, then it is Brahmaloka. So, therefore, when the person does only karma, then the highest possible result is Swargaloka. If it is with Upasana, then the person goes to Brahmaloka. That if he wants to gain Brahmajnanam, then he can get Upadesha from Brahmaji. That is called Brahmaji, and get Moksha. That is called Krama Mukti. It is called Krama Mukti. So here, since karma is the prakarana, the topic, the context, therefore Brahmaloka to be taken as Swargaloka only. That is Bhashikara makes it very clear. This is the meaning and the Bhashyam to this shloka. Then the next shloka that we will see, the Sangati shloka, we will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.